There's a number of criteria that I would have patients look for. Number one is the doctor a board-certified plastic surgeon, meaning certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. I think that's far and away the most important thing, because those are going to be the doctors that have the most experience doing plastic surgery, and there's plenty of other surgeons who claim to be plastic surgeons but they're not properly trained and they haven't had their boards. And number two, you want a surgeon who does a lot of breast augmentation. So it's really important because people think breast augmentation is very easy, but there's a lot of variables, a lot of things that can go wrong. It's actually a very technically complicated surgery in certain patients with asymmetries and other issues. So if you have somebody who's doing a lot of breast surgery, they're going to understand these nuances. They're also going to be able to offer you the whole range of options versus having maybe one or two procedures that they do all the time. You want to check and see if that doctor is doing a lot of revision type surgeries, because that's really important. In my opinion, you shouldn't be doing breast augmentation surgery unless you can handle the problems, because even in the best of hands, problems can occur. And again, it's really how the doctor handles the problems that distinguishes the good from the great. It's really a matter of looking at their website, seeing what their results look like, really making sure you have a wide range of photos that you can tell what is their results, not just their one or two best cases ever, but just get a good idea for how their results look typically. Then it's just a matter of going into their office, meeting with them, making sure that your personalities connect, that they understand what you want, and they are able to communicate with you, and you're able to communicate properly with them, because ultimately it's really a relationship that you're forming, a relationship which is a lot of trust involved, that they're going to be able to accomplish what your goals are, and that they're going to be realistic about what they can get for you. Websites like RealSelf.com is extremely helpful for patients. First of all, it only uses board-certified plastic surgeons, so you know that the doctors that are being discussed on there have the proper training. I think the patients on there are generally well informed and are really interested in getting more information that will help them make decisions. When you go on websites like that, you're going to get a lot of good information about surgeons. The only people that are real trained plastic surgeons are those that are board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. And it's really difficult because there's a lot of confusing information out there that's designed specifically to confuse patients. One of the things that I really love about Sientra implants is they will only sell their product to board certified plastic surgeons, which I think is great, because if a patient's getting Sientra implants, at the very least they know their doctor has been boarded by the appropriate American Board of Plastic Surgery, and that's great. Obviously all the other research you have to do to make sure the surgeon's right for you is important, but that's at least a baseline that patients can take comfort in.